Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Walking up onto the pedestrian overpass at Harmon Avenue, the strip drops away for a moment and the view opens outward. The walkway leads directly towards Harmon Corner, the angular glass structure ahead that stands out with its stacked levels of restaurants, food counters, and oversized digital screens wrapped around the exterior. The entire complex sits right on the intersection, almost compressed against the street, giving it a vertical, compact feel that sets it apart from the massive resorts around it. As the overpass reaches the building, the walkway connects straight into the Harmon Corner Mall, drawing you inside without ever touching street level. The interior is a tight collection of eateries, dessert spots, souvenir shops, and quick service counters. Everything is arranged on different levels that are open to each other, so every floor overlooks another. It's a small footprint but packed with activity, neon, color, and glass from every angle. The standout feature of Harmon Corner is how close everything feels. Instead of long casino hallways or huge retail promenades, each shop sits just steps from the next. Signs jut out at angles, escalators climb past open balconies, and digital screens compete for attention across the interior walls. It feels like a compact urban hub wedged between two of the largest hotels on the strip, a contrast that gives the whole place a burst of energy. Restaurants and snack spots line the railings and corners, giving the entire space a stacked, almost layered look. Stairs and escalators cut through the center, and from the upper levels you can see directly out onto the strip through the glass panels that wrap the structure. It's one of the few places on Las Vegas Boulevard where you feel surrounded by lights and storefronts at multiple heights, almost like a vertical micro-district. Crossing onto the next pedestrian bridge, the mall's compact geometry sits behind like a stacked block of lights and restaurants tucked tightly into the corner. The pathway continues forward, linking the two sides of Harmon Avenue above the traffic below as the walk carries towards the next stretch of the strip.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.